What are the importance of administering antibiotics to my chicks during their first week of life? There are some medications that are very important for chicks, especially during their early days of life, and antibiotics is one of them. But unfortunately, there are some poultry farmers that do not administer antibiotics to their chicks, especially during their first 7 days, which is okay, but it's not advisable for a good poultry farmer to do. In today's video, I will discuss some importance of administering antibiotics to your chicks during their first 7 days in your poultry farm. Young chicks are very fragile within their first week because their immune system is not yet fully developed. But administering antibiotics to these chicks during their first 7 days of life is a practice that is very important for all poultry farmers, as it can help to control bacterial infections which are common among chickens and reduce mortalities during their early days of life. And also, the stress of handling, vaccination, hatching, and transportation may weaken these chicks and lower their immunity, making them more susceptible to infections. Therefore, administering antibiotics during their first week of life can help support their immune system and provide a protective cover during this period. Antibiotics can also promote uniformity in their growth and boost the overall performance of these chicks during their early days of life. But however, like the saying goes, too much of anything is bad. The overuse or misuse of antibiotics can lead to antibiotics resistance, making infections and diseases very, very hard to treat. Therefore, follow the right directive when using any antibiotics for your chicks. Take note of this. As a good poultry farmer, a good brooding management, proper hygiene, and proper vaccination program are also very important for a long-term success in your poultry farming journey. Therefore, always learn to take care of your birds properly, keep the environment safe and clean at all times, and have a very good medication and vaccination program that you follow. Thank you for listening and watching.